Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you cannot access your Motorola Edge 70 Fusion using your device's PIN code. In such case, first of all, make sure that you are trying to enter the security PIN code that you set up yourself and not the SIM card PIN code, as these two are often mistaken with each other. And in case you cannot do that, your phone won't accept your PIN code, the best solution would be reaching out to a Motorola Customer Support service and telling them about this issue. If you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them by showing a receipt from the store where you bought it, or by showing them an original box, you'll be able to convince them to recover your access to the smartphone without removing any data to your device. However, if you cannot do that, the other solution is the factory reset operation. Before you perform a factory reset operation, if you have some alternative way to access your device, for example, you have the fingerprint scanner, fingerprint model or face unlock model enrolled on your smartphone, use it to access your device and back up your data either to your external SSD, external SD card, your PC, laptop, or an external cloud. After that, you'll be able to perform a factory reset operation in two different ways. First one is the remote factory reset. In order to perform factory reset operation remotely, you're gonna have to open the web browser on any other device around you that you have access to and that has access to the internet. Then sign in to the FindHub website using the Google account that is linked with your Motorola smartphone. Find your Motorola on the devices list, and after you select it here, you'll be able to select factory reset device in order to perform factory reset operation remotely. Now, if you don't have a Google account linked to your smartphone, you can perform a factory reset operation locally using recovery mode. However, if you'd like to know more about it, you're gonna have to check the other video on our channel where we explain how to perform factory reset operation through recovery mode on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. Now, in case you do remember your device's PIN code, but your phone won't let you access your system, sometimes it may be caused by some background activity or some third-party interference, which causes your device to lag and not allows you to forbids you from letting the system. In such case, we're gonna have to force boot our device into the safe mode to outrule this issue. To do that, we're gonna have to press and hold the power button and volume up key at the same time, like this, and keep holding them until your device is shut down. Once your screen goes off, wait for the Hello Moto logo to appear on the screen and then wait until your device slightly vibrates. Once it happens, start holding down the volume down button and keep holding it like this until your device restarts. Once your device restarts, you will see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner, so that means that no background activities are being performed on your smartphone and you can operate in it without third-party application effect on your smartphone. So try entering your PIN code once again, and if you succeed this time, remove your PIN code by going to settings and scrolling down to security and privacy. Here you're gonna have to go to device unlock, screen lock, enter your PIN code once again to confirm, and then change it to either none or swipe and tap delete to confirm. Then to restart your device back into the normal mode, press power button and volume up key at the same time and select restart. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.